Welcome to English class by Anjali Kapoor. Today we will discuss how to write a notice. First of all, what is a notice? It is usually a formal short piece of writing. Notices are generally pinned up or pasted on special boards meant for the purpose. Notices from government departments appear in newspapers. Purpose of writing notice: to announce events, occasions, to issue public instructions, to make appeals, to extend invitations. Format of notice writing. Whenever we discuss any writing skill, the most important thing is the format of that writing skill. So now let us discuss the format of notice writing. First of all, we write the name of the organization, institution or office, and it is written in block letters. Then in the next line we write the word notice, that also in block letters. In the third line on the left hand margin we write date of issuing the notice. Then next to the date we write a suitable caption or heading. Take care, the heading should be catchy and attractive, and we are to write it in capital letters, and the heading should not be more than 3-4 words. Then comes body of notice. That also we begin from the left hand margin. And after completing the body of notice, there is signature of the person writing the notice, issuing the notice, name and the designation. Points to remember, things we should keep in mind while writing a notice. First of all, let us discuss what do we write in body of notice. First thing is purpose and the details of schedule. Children must remember the 5 W's. What means event. Where means place, where it is going to take place. When, date and time. Who, eligibility, who is eligible to participate in it. Whom to contact means the authority or the person issuing the notice if you have any queries. Then description about the object or event or competition, etc. The entire content of the notice is placed in a box. It has to be written in a box. It should be written in passive voice as far as possible, and most important is that present tense is used while writing notice. Personal pronouns are not used, I and you. Don't exceed the word limit, that is usually 40 to 50 words. Layout of a notice. Just see in the first line, first of all, just notice that it is written in a box, and in the very first line we are to write name of the organization oblique institution issuing the notice. Here you have to write the name of the institution, and in the second line, in the center of that line, just below it, we have to write the word notice. In the third line, date on the left hand margin. After that, heading again in the center in 3-4 words in capital letters. Then comes your body of letter. After that, signature, which will be in running hand, name in block letters, and designation. Now let's see one example. First of all, what we have to write is name of the institution. This is a notice put on a notice board in Doon International School, Dehradun. Then we have written the heading notice, and in the third line the date is written, date, month and year. Then in the center, heading of the notice, what is it about? Lost a water bottle, so water bottle lost. Now body of the letter, let's read. A brand new Milton water bottle was lost. What was lost? W's का ध्यान रखना है. What was lost? Milton water bottle was lost. Where was it lost? In the playground. During, when was it lost? During games period yesterday, that is on 1st June 2020. it is black. Then description of that particular product. What is it? It is black in color or how it looks and has a red strap. There is a red star on its steel body. If found, please return it to the undersigned during lunch break. A suitable reward is promised. If found, please return it. To whom to contact? The undersigned, right? When to contact and where also we can mention. During lunch break and suitable reward is promised. Then we said we are to put signatures. So here signatures Amita and name in block letters. Then roll number 12, 8th B. If any other designation is given to you, assigned to you, you will write that designation. Now, here is a small exercise for you to practice how to write notice. Number of topics are given. Practice notice writing on the following topics. First is found. We have given the example of lost a product. Now, if you find something, found. Essay writing competition, annual function in your school, sports meet, science exhibition, healthy food competition, etc. Thank you students and dear friends. If you have liked this video, please share and subscribe.